Today we will learn operations on matrices. So first one is addition of matrices, second one is scalar multiplication of matrices, third one is difference of matrices or subtraction of matrices, fourth one is multiplication of matrices. So one by one we will study. So first one is, what is that first one? First one is addition of matrices. Okay, these are all very important operations, just you can listen very carefully. So addition of matrices can be defined as it is now. See here, two matrices A and B, you can consider two matrices, that is capital A and capital B, can be added if they are of same order. They are of same order, that is you can write like this. If capital A means A is a matrix like this, Aij, that is m by n matrix. Next one more, similarly you can consider B is equal to Bij, that is also of the order m by n. Then you will get the new matrix after adding A and B. That new matrix I will denote by C, which is equal to, if you do matrix A plus B, you will get like this, Cij of m by n order. This is nothing but, you can say like this, it is C is equal to Aij plus Bij, you will get of the order m by n. Means here A is a matrix, B is a matrix of the order m by n, same order should be there. Then you can add A plus B, so that you will get Cij by of order m by n. Or you can say this plus this, Aij plus Bij, this inside this one plus this one, if you will get. So one example we will take, so that you will get the idea here. One example we will take how to add. So if A is equal to 2 3 4 1 of the order 2 by 2, and if I take one more matrix, that is B is equal to, I will take 4 5 6 2. Okay, this I will take, this is also of the order 2 by 2. Okay, now we have to add these two. If these two are the matrix, find A plus B. Then how to find A plus B? Here solution. So first A is this one, B is this one. You have to check the order. Here it is 2 by 2, here it is also 2 by 2. So you can add these two. If the order is changed, then you cannot add A plus B, it is not defined. Okay, so now we will take A plus B. A plus B can be written as like this, 2 3 4 1, and it is the addition of the matrix B, that is 4 5 6 2. Okay, if you add these two, what do you get? A plus B is equal to what? 2 plus 4. The first element, which is of this one, A11, A12, A21, A22, we will tell now. Similarly here it is B matrix, means B11, B12, this is B21, this is B22, means Bij. So here A11 and B11, 11 11, like this, same corresponding elements you have to add. So here A11 plus B11, so it is 2 plus 4, it is 2 plus 4. In next one A12, B12, corresponding elements you have to add. So that is 3, this is 5, so this is 3 plus 5 you will get. Next 4, here A21, B21, see here 21 21, same corresponding elements are there, so it is 4, this is 6, this is 4 plus 6. Next here it is 1 2, so 2 2 2 2, A22, B22, so this is 1 plus 2. So you will get here A plus B is equal to, here 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 5 is 8, and 4 plus 6 is 10, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is of the order 2 by 2. whatever the order it is there here 2 by 2, the same order you will get here. So after adding you will get a plus b is equal to 6, 8, 10, 3, 2, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, if you are having, suppose think that if you are having the order is different, then it is not defined. Okay, one example we will take like that, so that you will get the idea here. So the same example you can take. For example, if I take here example, suppose a is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0, correct. So one more I will take here, b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1 I will take. So this is of how many row here? 2 rows are there. So 2 by 3 matrix it is. So 3 columns are there, 2 rows are there. Here it is 2 rows are there into this is 2 columns are 2 by 2 matrix, and it is 2 by 3 matrix. So here you can't add, here you can't find a plus b, you can't find this a plus b. Okay, it is not defined here because the order is different here, you cannot define here. Okay, not defined, it is a plus b, you can't add these two because here it is 2 by 2 matrix, here it is 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so you can't make this one, these two order should be same. Okay, it may be 2 by 2 and this is also 2 by 2, it may be 3 by 2 and it is also maybe 3 by 2. So whatever the order you are having same, the after adding the same order you will get. So this is out what about addition of matrices. So next we will go for scalar multiplication. Next we will go for scalar multiplication. What is that second one? Scalar multiplication. This is also very important. Scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Okay, so here let, how to define, let a is equal to aij, so it is m by n matrix and k be a scalar, k be a any scalar, so any number. Okay, k be any scalar. So now what can be done, then we can define this one, it is denoted by ka, which is equal to like this, you can write k into aij of order what, this is m by 1 n only you will get, it will not affect, this scalar will not affect the order of the matrix. Okay, and it is denoted by what, scalar multiplication. After taking a is a matrix like this and k be any scalar, you can denote this as a k into a, that is ka, means here k is the scalar, k is nothing but what, your scalar, and a is nothing but your matrix. So matrix is multiplied by the scalar k. So for example, I will take one more example here. If you take like this example, see here my dear students, so you can take here a is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6 and you can take k is equal to 3, so that you can find if a is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, this is 2 by 2 matrix, here k is equal to 3, so find 3a, so you can make like this, 3a is equal to 3 as it is, so a is 2, 3, here it is 4, 6. Okay, now you can take here this one, you can write 3 into 2 it is 6, 3 into 3 it is 9, 3 into 4 it is 12, 3 into 6 it is 18. So this is the matrix, so this is nothing but it is your 3a, and you are getting this is also the matrix 2 by 2. See here you are getting here 2 by 2, correct. So there is no change of the order here. So one more example I will take so that you will get the idea. So one more example I will take. Okay, now this example will be for what, negative of a matrix. Okay, negative of a matrix. Okay, any scalar you can consider here, 3, 4, 5 minus. Okay, here negative of a matrix I will give an example. So what is this negative of a matrix? Before giving this example, negative of a matrix means what here, the negative, what is this, the negative of a matrix is denoted by minus A. So suppose A is a matrix, it is denoted by minus A. Suppose B is a matrix, it is denoted by minus B. That is, if B is a matrix, it is denoted by minus B. Like that, if A is a matrix, minus A it is denoted. Then we define, how do we define? We define minus A is equal to minus 1 into that matrix A. Okay, minus A is equal to minus 1 into A we are defining. Okay, we will have one example so that you will get the idea here. So here listen carefully. So for example, A is a matrix. Example, I will take like this here. Example, what is this example here? Suppose A is equal to 2 3 4 1. If this is a matrix of order 2 by 2, so find minus A. If A is equal to 2 3 4 1, 2 by 3, 2 matrix, find minus A. So how to find this one? So this can be written as minus A is defined as, we know that solution. What we know that? We know that, what we know, WKT means what? We know that minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. So minus A is equal to minus 1 into, what is A here? Here it is 2 3 4 1. So this can be written as minus A is equal to, you can multiply minus 1 into 2, like it is a scalar. Okay, this is also a scalar. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. So this is a matrix that is denoted by minus A. So this is, we are going to find here minus A. So this is your minus A. How did you get this one? Since we defined in a negative of a matrix, minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. Where did you get this one? See here. Here negative of a matrix is defined by minus A is equal to minus 1 into A na. So in the same way we are taking here one example so that you will get the, you got the idea. So I hope you have understood now. Okay, now third one we will go. What is that? Difference of matrices. What is that? Difference of matrices. What is that? Difference of matrices or subtraction of matrices. Okay, difference of matrices or subtraction. Okay, so here also same, the same order should be there. So how do we define here? If A is equal to Aij of order, same order. Okay, here Aij, so this here B is equal to Bij. So are two matrices of order two matrices of same order, of the same order, you can say like this, same order. So say m by n. So this matrix is also of the order m by n, and this matrix is also of the order m by n. So m rows and n columns. Then difference, then difference A minus B is defined as a matrix capital D, which is equal to Dij. Okay, where Dij is equal to Aij minus Bij. Okay, this you can take. Okay, so in other words also you can write like this. D can be written as what? A minus B. Okay, which is equal to, you can write A plus of minus 1 into B. So it is negative of a matrix. This is A. Like this also you can write. Okay, so then that is the sum of the matrix A and the matrix minus B here. It is minus B here, it is A. So one example we will take so that you will get the idea how to do this one. Okay, example we will take. So if A is equal to what? 1 2 3 2 3 1. What is the order? 2 by 3 matrix here, 2 rows and 3 columns are there. Then B is equal to what? 3 minus 1, and here it is minus 1, here it is 3, and you can take here minus 1 0 2. Okay, then find A minus B. Correct. If you find like this, how do you find? Now you can write A minus B is equal to this. You can write here 1 2 3, here it is 2 3 1. So here it is minus, so you can write here 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. So this is how we are writing. A as it is I have written, minus because we need A minus B. So B as it is I have written. This is also of the order 2 by 3. So same order we are having. So you can add like this. Okay. So in next page we will go how to find this one. So this can be found like this. A minus B is equal to, once again I will write here so that you will get the idea here. So this is 1 2 3, and here it is 2 3 1. So here it is minus, here it is 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. Okay, like it is 2 by 3 matrix, this is also 2 by 3 matrix. So okay, now you can see here my dear students. So A minus B can be written as, what is this? Corresponding element, this and this, similarly this and this. So you can take like this, 1 minus 3, this is 1 minus 3, here it is 2 minus, already minus 1 is there, so it is minus 1, here it is 3 minus 3. Okay, next here 2 minus, already 1 minus is there, so minus 1, here it is 3 minus 0, here it is 3, here it is 0, here it is 1, here 2, so 1 minus 2. Now A minus B is equal to, what is this? 1 minus 3 is minus 2, here it is 2, minus of minus is plus, so it is 2 plus 1, here it is 3 minus 3 is 0, here it is also 2 plus 1 because minus of minus is plus, so it is 2 plus 1 is, you can write like this, here 3 minus 0 3 only, here it is minus 1 1 minus 2. Next, in the next step you can write A minus B is equal to minus 2, it is 3 0 2 plus 1, here it is 3 minus 1. So this is of the order 2 by 3. Now see here, you got here 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 to add. After subtraction or difference also you are getting 2 by 3 only here. What the idea? Clear here? Okay. So now last we will go multiplication of matrices. What is that? Multiplication of matrices. How do we are going to define this one? Multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. So how to define this one? Two matrices A and B, capital A and B, are said to be conformable. Okay, conformable for the product AB if and only if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. Okay, so now you can go through. So here it is like this, number of columns of A, this matrix should be equal to number of rows of B. Okay, so that is what you can say like this. Suppose matrix A is equal to, it is Aij of matrix of order m by n, and B is equal to, suppose if you take like this, what we can say that Bij of order n by p. Okay, then AB exists, how do you get this one? AB exists. How do you exist? It is here, and AB is equal to some C you will get, which is equal to Cij of M by P. So this row and this column matrix you are going to get here. So you can say here where Cij is equal to summation of, here it is n, ij is equal to 1 to n, where aij into bjk you can take. Okay, so like that you can go, so that you will get the idea here ij. So here it will be k, you can take here k. Okay, instead of j here it is k, so this k you will get. So one example we will take, so that you will get the idea. Okay, so this example you can take. Find AB if A is equal to 6923 and B is equal to 26079. This is 2 cross 2 matrix and this is 2 cross 3 matrix. So you should get what? 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix you will get. Okay, now solution. So AB is equal to what is A here? 6923. So you can write like this, into 260798. Correct. So now this is first row, this is second row, this is first column, second column, this is first row, second row, first column, second column, third column. Now this first row multiply with this first column. So 6 into 2 you can write here, 6 into 2. What is that? 6 into 2? 6 into 2, 12. Next 9 into 7. What is that? 63 plus 63 you will get. Okay. Next first column row, second column, 6 into 6, 36. 6 into 9 plus 54. Here it is 6 into first row, third column. What is this? How do we get here? What is this? Tell me. 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 8, 8 6 are 48. You can write here like this. Next 2 into second row, first column. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 7 plus 21. Next second row, second column. So 2 into 6, 12 plus 3 into 9, 27. Next second row, third column. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 8 plus 24. So what is this? You can solve like this. 12 plus 63, 60, 70, 75 it is. Right. Here it is 86. Correct. What is this? Here it is 6. 6 the 36, 9 9s it is, sorry, it is 81. Okay, this is 81. It is 81. So if you add this one you will get 117. Now you add this two, what will you get? 6 zeros are 0, 9 8s are it is 72. Okay, sorry, it is 72. Okay, now check this one. This will be 72 and here it is 4 plus 21 is 25. Here it is 12 plus 27 it is 39. Here it is 0 plus 24 is 24. So 2 rows are there and 3 columns are there. So 2 by 3 matrix it is. Okay, so please sorry here, here it is 9 9s are 81, here 9 8s are 72. We multiplied with. So how to multiply this one? See here 2 by 2 matrix is there, here 2 by 3 matrix is there. So first matrix row is 2 and column of second matrix will be 3. You can multiply two matrices when the column of first matrix is equal to the row of the first matrix. These two should be equal. Okay, now you can take how to multiply this one. If A is having of the matrix one matrix of m by n and B is of having the matrix of n by p, the column of first matrix and the row of the second matrix should be equal. Then you will get what? C, AB is equal to multiplication of A and B is equal to some matrix of order, this one, m by p. So this will be m and this will be p. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. So before that, once again I will say here, so A and B, how to find here? Here it is, always you have to go like this: first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, you have to multiply and you have to write like this. Next you go for second row, first column, you write here, second row, second column, write here, second row, third column, you write here, add like this, so that you will get the matrix like this. Okay, so